So hey guys, in an exclusive interview, OnePlus gave us a sneak peek at an early version of the upcoming OnePlus Open, showing off their new foldable hinge design and gapless look. The upcoming OnePlus Open is expected to be the first foldable smartphone released by OnePlus. The company has a lot of experience with foldable devices from its Oppo line like the Find N and Find N2, but so far they haven't released anything with the flagship branding. In an exclusive sit-down with Unbox Therapy, we got a sneak peek at OnePlus Open's very first model, complete with strategically placed paper to hide the camera and any other physical details that could reveal sensitive information. At the other end of the call, PT Law explains what the upcoming device is all about and what it means.
And we want to create a burdenless design and create a fast and smooth experience that is intuitive.
PT says that OnePlus has over 600 patents related to hinge itself, which is obviously one of the most difficult things to do when it comes to the making a foldable phone. There will be a gapless design on the OnePlus Open. Just like Oppo's Find N2, the foldable has 31 less components in comparison. In the video, PT closed the Open with a piece of paper tucked inside. According to PT Law, the gapless design is what makes that possible. To an outside viewer, it looks more like a case of strong magnets laid across the outside edges of the inner display. Moving on, the video shows the OnePlus Open early build from a few angles. The build is visually appealing both in its closed and open state. Despite the fact that it is incomplete, it's easy to spot the gapless design, but the screen's inner bezels appears to be quite thick and are raised much higher than we are accustomed to with other foldables. Let's see if it makes into the final design. We have already seen phone in public, which provides a visual representation of the device without the need of a paper coverings. The announcement of the OnePlus Open is anticipated to take place on 19th of October. OnePlus's first foldable is expected to have a top-notch specs like a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and an impressive camera setup. So what do you think about this OnePlus Open? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.